Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to create live sales pop-up notifications in Shopify. First, log into your Shopify account as an administrator. On the left-hand menu, click on Apps, then click Shopify App Store. A new tab will open. In the search bar, type Sales Pop-up. Find the app called Quickify Sales Pop-up and click on it. Choose the free plan, then click Install. Authorize the app to integrate with your Shopify store. Once loaded, create a new campaign, connect it to your products, and preview it on your storefront. And that's it. That's how to create live sales pop-up notifications in Shopify. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.